Hi guys, I've made a plugin to make life for everyone easier, who has design systems, products, a lot of texts, colors, text styles, variables and stuff like this. Or if you have a team with a lot of people, or if you have legacy projects where you have a lot of texts, colors that are not attached to any variables or styles or stuff like this, and you don't want to do it because you need to click each item manually and then change it, and it's hard to find, it's hard to do, nobody wants to do it. So here is how you can automate this with this simple plugin. We will start with this. You can use selection only mode, then you can choose property. You can basically use any other properties. I will touch only part of them, but basically you can apply the same principles for anything else. So for this example, we use fill color. We will find nodes. We will find nodes. You see, this is all the rectangles inside our selection. And then if you want to replace all of them with this color, you just simply do replace all. Or if you want to control the process, you can still select selection only and then do it one by one if you want to control what you do. Now then, it works not only with just colors. You can select basically anything you want, but for example, you can apply variables. And as you can see, you have variable here attached. You can do the same with style. Just basically use your imagination. There are no limits here. Now next example, where you have, if you work in the team or if you work by yourself, but you have a lot of components and you just want to make sure that everything is in the right place. And for example, if you use variables, that you are using variables everywhere, and the only one way to do it right now is to click each of them and see if you have variable or not. And what you can do with this plugin is you can, for example, select fill variable and then select no variable and then click find, and you will see that even though they all look the same, you can see this one is actually without the variable, which is quite handy if you have a lot of pages, a lot of components, a lot of different colors. And if you want to apply again the variable, you can just do it like this and you will get the variable here. Same you can do with styles. You can select fill style here. You will see the styles that is used here, and again find we wanted to check for no styles, sorry. You select no style, you see it has one. You can you can find this one, and you can find it exactly this rectangle without variable, and then you can do the same. You can select this and hit replace all, and now all of them will be with the variables. Okay, now let's talk about texts. All of us are using texts. So in this example, we have some texts without any font style or without any variables or styles, so just text with some fill color. We can apply as complex search as we want. So for example, we can search by font family, inter, and fill color black, and then we can apply, let's say, font size, and let's put like 200 for example, and let's apply it on this selection, and it should change the colors only of the black texts in this example. And as you can see, only black one was changed. This one remains as it was. Also, you can apply the same principle as we saw before with variables or styles. So let's say you want to update the black ones with text style of 40 pixels, and you can do the same. Just do it like this, and as you can see, all of these now have this text style with 40 pixels, and this is still the same without any text style. You can also do it in bulk if you just remove this filter for example, and you apply the same change with text style. You can see that all of them will be changed to the text style with these properties. Now the same is with color boxes. Let's say you have a big project and you try to use text styles and you have quite a lot of texts. And if you want to find any problems in your design, then you will need to click each of them individually. The alternative is to use this plugin. You can use text style, use no style, and click find, and you will see, for example, this one doesn't have any text styles, and this one also, and everything else has. And it has text style 80, and if you want to just quickly fix your issues, you can just select this box and apply the same text style for all text that you have. And now all of them have the same text style. And the last one is you can find, this example, this is misleading, so just forget about it. But this is about auto layout. You can apply the same principles for gaps, paddings, and stuff like this. So for example, you can search by gap. So let's select this frame. We can select gap, and as you can see, this is the values that you have here. If you apply selection only, you will see the values inside this selection. And the same, you can click search, and it will highlight and focus on the element with this value as the gap. Then you can just do anything you want. You can apply just different gap for all of these items, or, which is better, and you should do it like this, you should use variables, and you just update it with this, and all of this will be updated with the variable that you want. You can apply the same principles for the paddings. So if you want to replace all paddings in your project with variables, you can just search all of them and then just use the same spacing variable, pre-create variables for paddings, and just replace all in one click pretty much on all of your pages. Thank you. And if you will find any issues or bugs, or you have any feedback, there is my email. You can email me, and I will help you with any issues that you have. Or if you have any suggestions, or if you miss some features, just let me know. I will try to add it. Thank you.